Imagine waking up to breathtaking sunsets on your front porch and winding down your day with stunning sunsets over a private, crystal-clear mountain lake. Welcome to your new home, a true mountain paradise nestled in the heart of the Blue Ridge Mountains. This hand-hewn log masterpiece is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Spanning over 4,100 square feet, this craftsman beauty offers a unique opportunity for multi-generational living, with each floor functioning as a fully independent living space. The upstairs living space is truly awe-inspiring. With exposed beams and a soaring cathedral ceiling, the nearly 1,000 square foot great room features an impressive stacked stone fireplace, creating the perfect setting for cozy evenings.